We loosen up the handlebars and bringing them down.
So basically, we took 2 screws out, the ignition.
1 screw here, 1 screw there, yep.
And then you unplugged a couple of these, like 3.
Yeah. And then this one too.
And that one.
Yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yep. Hold on. Yep.
It's real simple.
And then now I'm just gonna unloosen
Road glide, real simple?
Yeah, road glide the best. When it comes to doing some work real quick. You know what I'm saying? And they all the same. Like, even though this is 2024, it's the same as that old daddy over there. I'm just gonna loosen these up a little bit, not too much. And I should be able to just pull them down.
Oh, we're trying to like...
Trying to lean, huh?
Trying to lean a little bit.
All right, cool.
All right, get back to you in a minute.
Let's go. So how you feel now?
All right. So they're lower now.
They cooked up?
Yeah.
You tighten them up?
Might make a little more adjustments like here and...
You're here.
And here.
Maybe twist it.
Twist it a little bit, but it's good. Now I can reach it and like lean back on the backrest. But Tall says he can't fit on a bike like that no more. It's not for him.
Nah, it's not for me no more. Yeah, it's too low. I like mine low, but that's too low. Mine is low on my street glide, but...
That's too low?
I mean, my ultra. Big classic. Let me show them something. You know what I'm saying? So look, check this out, y'all. We was about to go ride today. And one more time. We got rain. This is nuts. Wow. All right, but anyway, y'all, that's it for this video, huh, Tiny?
Yep.
What you gotta tell them?
That's it and that's all.
Let's go.
Okay.
What you gotta tell them, Tiny? What happened? Why you didn't start the camera?
What?
Why didn't you start the camera is the question. All right, so putting the new grips on.
What are these grips called?
Avon grips.
About who?
Avon grips. Yeah, we're ready. Yeah.
What's it called?
Just the product number. Hey, you're blinding us. That's not working.
Read it off to them then.
Air cushion. ANO fly.
Yeah.
Air 90.
Ain't no fly. I guess
Ain't no. All right, we'll go with that.
Yeah, I take it. Tiny is cooked up.
All right, so what you doing here?
I already took off the we took off all the housing. We'll probably show them on that one.
Yeah.
But this is the throttle side. And you can see the throttle here?
Yeah, it's got grooves in it.
Yeah, so basically push that in, and you see it?
It catch right on, huh?
Catch right on.
So now all we gotta do is put it back together.
Yeah.
It's ready to go.
Let's see. How far your hand needs to go. If you want to have it, you know what I'm saying? See, I'm trying to see if there's a certain
Play
spot.
somewhere?
Yeah. And basically you just clip this back in. This little thing right here. Show them right here. It's like...
Okay, I see it.
You see
so a little...
You see that thing right here?
It's gonna catch right there?
You see how this pops up?
You
open it up just a little so it can get in there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But we'll get back to y'all.
All right.
Let's cook.
All right. I might be talking that. Gonna speed it up?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I like the way these stay in there. These like sitting inside the hole with these ones. These like stay in there. It's like a locking mechanism. Okay. Yeah, come on, man. Oh. There's some girth on there on that door.
We gotta hold this.
Yeah.
There was a spider in there.
Where?
In there?
Yeah, it was. Boy, they getting all the hoes, don't they?
Why do you want to be in there? He killed himself.
They're stupid. They like to be in the dark hollow. Yeah. Right. Okay, I forgot how to button work on this thing. That's not good that. Alright, hold on. I don't even know. Oh, how the hell is this supposed to come out? Oh, wow. See, that one was easier.
Shimmy it.
Yeah, but...
Shimmy twist.
I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So why is not working? I might need this.
When I saw the guy do it, he just shimmied it. But he already had another aftermarket on there.
That's why. Because this is trash.
So,
Is that so? Yeah, that's... This is hard. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm that type of guy, right? I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something real better. Why you so adorable?
I don't know.
Why you always so precious? Nothing's on you. Baby, nothing's on you.
I got a bug bite. I'm scratching it. Careful, I'm right here.
Jesus Christ.
Be careful. I'm scared.
Okay.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared.
You see? See what your puppy doing? It's done.
The little extra little jizz right here.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Might need that though. I'm not gonna take that off yet. What you see?
Yeah. Look what the inside look like.
It's nothing. Oh God, I think it's towards that. Alright. What else on that real quick?
Right here.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping that there. Gonna make it sturdy.
Okay.
Yeah. Whatever that.
Just shimmy it on there. All the way up.
Hold on, I gotta take this out. This ain't gonna go around there. This is way bigger at this. This is way bigger. Alright, and I gotta figure out how to get this button out.
So you gotta like fully take that off, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and then put it on.
Okay, there. Alright, okay. That's all.
Yeah. You can hold it?
Yeah. We also gotta get that position where you want it.
This one's positioned fine. It's not as close as it looks. So stop touching stuff. It's positioned fine for me. Everything's on there. It's nice.
Next is the mirrors.
Yep, mirrors coming off now. These little dainty mirrors. They're like really, really dainty. We're gonna put them Willie G's on.
Good.
All right. All right. Now the mirrors.
Which side is this? What's this side?
That's the side.
Oh yeah, that looks better.
Don't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, that Willie G. All right, let's get these on. Oh, look at that, yeah. Before, with this dainty little stem, you know, it's just not that fly. And then now, I like this. It's a little more substantial and thick. Yeah. Put this other one on, and then I'll get you get you a shot of the back. So y'all can see the back. It's got like a skull on it. There's Harley Davidson on it. The mirrors. Hey, look.
They look better.
Is your mic on?
Yeah, I don't know, is it?
I don't know.
It's on that.
Okay. Yeah. Toss says I copy him.
You did. I got the original Willie G's.
Yeah, I did. I did though.
They look better.
They do look way better.
Oh yeah, that thing looking better.
With them grips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you got the.
You know, whenever it stopped raining, you take her out, get some pictures of her, get some new pictures.
We still need to get those things for here, right? Oh,
Yep.
it might dry. We might be able to ride tonight.
Maybe, yeah. And we're gonna change these out real quick.
For what? Oh, did you show them this?
Yeah, I
They
did.
seen the unboxing. No, they seen the unboxing. That's a different video.
Yeah, same thing. All right, so yeah, we're gonna put them on there.
Let's cook. They look better.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, look at that. Looks better, huh?
Yeah, look better.
Yep.
Look cooler.
These are the ones that come with it, but they're kind of broken and one of them is stripped, so
Yeah,
we had a hard time getting it off.
This was missing. This was stripped.
Yep.
I think because of the paint.
That one looked cracked.
Yeah, this I think right here. See a crack right there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was hard to get both of those out. Look, they like, I don't know. They circled out. See them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What? Those
But these look better.
are they going?
In the trash.
It's cooked.
Yeah, these look way better on there.
Well, that's it, huh?
Look what Tall got on his.
I got the spinners.
He got spinners. We ride spinners.
I'm a player. We ride spinners. We ride spinners.
All right.
That's about it, huh? I think we done with this video.
Yep. That's it and that's all.
That's cool.